welcome to my NCLEX Prep channels. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can transfer your results from AHPRA to CNO. AHPRA stands for Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency and CNO stands for College of Nurses, Ontario. So if you have taken your NCLEX RN exam in Australia and you are already living in Canada or USA, or you are planning to move to Canada or USA, then in order to work here, you have to transfer your license from Australia to Canada or USA. In this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process how to transfer license from AHPRA to CNO. So stay tuned, let's begin. So first of all, in Google, you have to just write down AHPRA, AHPRA. Then you will land on this page. Then click on the first link. Then you will land on this page. Then here, search transport and hit enter. Then you will see like this page. So here you have to click on the information for registered nurses. Then here you have to go to how do I initiate the NCLEX RN's code transfer process from AHPRA to another nursing regulatory body. So just click on that link. So you will see like this. So first of all, here complete an application to transfer NCLEX RN's code. So that application you have to fill it out. So I will show you the application. So here just you need to fill out your name, date of birth, your IQNM case number, then your contact details, here NCSBN ID, and NCLEX RN exam date, what date you have taken your NCLEX RN exam, that you have to fill it out. Here you have to just write down the nursing regulatory body and address where you have to transfer your results. So if I say if you want to transfer results to CNO, College of Nurses, Ontario, then you have to write down College of Nurses, Ontario here, and address, city, state, country, and postal code. Then you have to give them consent. So you have to write down your name, your signature, and fill out the date. And there is the application fees, which is $250 that you have to pay. So how you can pay? So here there is a credit and debit card payment slip. So here you have to fill it out your credit card and debit card number, and they will deduct the $250. Once you fill out that application form, then here upload the application to the online upload service. So click on the online upload service and you will land on this page. So here click on the upload now and you will land on this page. If you have already created an account, then just enter your user ID, date of birth, and password. But if you haven't, then click on here, I don't have a login. Write down your email ID, first name, last name, and password and date of birth, and then log in. So in my case, I have already made an account, so I will just write down my information. Once you log in, then you will land on this page. Then just click on next. And here you have to please select your profession. So here select the nursing and midwifery. Then please select the form type. So here you have to select application to transfer NCLEX RN's code. That one you have to select it. And here you have to upload your form that you just recently fill it out. That application you have to fill it out. That's the process to transfer a license from AHPRA to CNO. If you have any question, comment down below.